Today's lesson, I'm going to be talking about a very interesting topic, which is all about thinking like a trader or adopting the mindset of a profitable trader. So please tune in. Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's lesson, I'm going to be talking about a very interesting topic, which is all about thinking like a trader. They say think like a man, act like a man, think like a gambler, act like a gambler, think like a profitable trader, most likely going to act like a profitable trader and also achieve results of a profitable trader. Most people are thinking like gamblers when they go into the markets. They want to win big today, tomorrow they blow their accounts. But then if you're thinking like a profitable trader, you're consistently going to make money in the long term. You're not thinking about tomorrow. You're thinking about like a year or two ahead. You want to consistently make money. You don't want to make money today and blow it tomorrow. It doesn't make no sense. You working backwards, you're not working forward. It's better for you to achieve 2% each and every day rather than achieving 100% today and losing 100% tomorrow. It makes so much logic. You want to live for the long term. You don't want to live for tomorrow. So you need to think like a profitable forex trader. So now, profitable forex traders think in terms of probabilities. You will never know for sure if you're going to win this trade or you're going to lose it. So you should always pay attention to your risk and reward. As a matter of fact, there's a random distribution between your wins and losses in each and every strategy. I don't care how good you are, you're going to lose some of the trades in the markets. So you should always have a safety net around it, which is your risk and reward. So when I go into a trade, I want to at least make 2 or 3 times what I'm risking. So since there's a random distribution, right? Let's say I enter into 10 trades and my trading strategy ranges about 65 to 70% in terms of its strike rate, which means if I enter into 10 trades, I'm most likely going to win 6 out of the 10 or 7 out of the 10. I won't win the rest, or I won't win 10 of the trades. Yes, it might happen in some cases that I win 10 consecutive trades, but then most likely I might win 6 or 7 of the trades. So now, what do I do in terms of this randomness in order for me to be profitable or consistently make money? I use my risk and reward. So if I'm risking 1,000, I want to at least make 3,000 US dollars, or make 2,000 US dollars, which makes sense from a investment perspective. So now, let's say I enter into my first trade. Remember, there's a random distribution between wins and losses. I enter into my first trade and I win it. I was risking 1,000. Right? My risk and reward was 1:3, which means I'm going to make 3,000 on that trade. I might lose the next 3 trades consecutively since there's a random distribution. However, even if I lose those next 3 trades, I might just break even, because that one trade covered 3 consecutive trades. So that's how good risk and reward takes place into your trading. So if you can just write it down and apply it over a series of trades, you will see that you're going to be profitable. So there's no time for you to just be jumping from strategy to strategy. Just find one great strategy which has been proven over time, obviously, and pay attention to your mind. Think like a trader. Trust me, over a series of trades, you're going to be profitable. So I want to help you guys, because in my first 2 years, I struggled with this. I had the mindset, I had the strategy. It's the same as if I want to lose weight, I want to lose weight and gain some muscle, 6-pack and all of that. I might go like on YouTube. I might go and on the search engine and search that, okay, if I want to lose weight, what am I supposed to do? They're going to give me all the strategies and technicalities behind it, that I need to eat this, I need to start jogging and exercising. But then am I going to consistently wake up in the morning and do that? Most people don't. It's easy to lose weight. It's really easy. But then what people have a problem with is the mindset. So same goes with trading. Getting the strategy is easy. It's the easiest thing ever. But then are you going to consistently act like a trader so that you can achieve great results? That's one of the problems most people have. So I want to help you guys. We're currently running a special at LionTroopFX.com, LionTroopFX.com, which was running for $299. Now it's running for $199 US dollars. So simply click the link down in the description. It's gonna lead you to our website. I love you guys. Peace.